Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by Unboxing. This is a monthly tea subscription and this is my May box. So you do get a card that lists all the teas, caffeine levels, promo codes, all sorts of stuff like that. Your box would be different than mine because you do fill out a profile of what teas you like and dislike, and they curate it based on that. So the first one up is some loose leaf tea, Lost Maples. This is a medium roast. Sounds pretty interesting. Some big tea leaves there. And whenever you get loose leaf tea like this, you always get a packet of some fillable tea bags, which I love. Another loose leaf tea we have is Tiny Bee Tea. This is oolong tea, rose apricot nectar. Love the packaging, that's super cute. That has papaya, apple, apricot, and rose petals. But that's good. Then we have some packaged tea. This is Beauty Brain Lemon Balm Kiwi Tea. And this is caffeine free. Really excited to try that one. I haven't heard of kiwi tea, so. It's got all sorts of stuff in it too. Orange peel, lemon balm, hibiscus, rose hips, kiwi fruit powder. All sorts of good stuff. And then you get 4 of those whenever they're already in little satchels. And the last one is another loose leaf tea. This is a vanilla Earl Grey black tea. Black tea, orange peel, blue cornflowers, and natural flavors. And then here's the cardigan. So I normally get a good mix of different caffeine levels. Caffeine free, high caffeine, just contains caffeine. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to sign up, I will put a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.